Your lesson essential question is, how do we explain patterns in the multiplication chart? So we're going to be looking for patterns on the multiplication chart. And if you look over here to the left, this is the multiplication chart. And you know it works just like an addition chart. So if we were doing 6 times 3, we'd find the 6 and the 3, and we would look for where they where they meet. So 6 times 3 is 18. Yolanda noticed that 4 times 6 is double 2 times 6. How can we explain this? Well, we can use the multiplication table to find the patterns. So looking at 4 times 6, we know the answer is 24. And Yolanda says it's double 2 times 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. So 12 doubled is 24. Well, I know that 4 is the double of 2. So that means that 4 times 6 would be double 2 times 6. We use the distributive property to help us figure that out. So 4 times 6 would be the same as 2 times 6 plus 2 times 6. All we did was we broke this 4 up into 2 and 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. And then 2 times 6 is 12. And we add those together to get 24. Let's look at the product of numbers multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 4. Any number that's multiplied by 4 is going to double the product of that number multiplied by 2. So just like we just saw with 4 times 6 and 2 times 6, that goes for any number. So if I have 2 times 1, it's 2. If I have 4 times 1, it's 4. So 4 is double 2. What about 2 times 2? We have 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8. 8 is double 4. So you can see there are patterns on addition tables, and there are also patterns on multiplication tables.